Ladies and gentlemen, it is autumn in North California. Greetings. I'm back in California. It's very cold. I've actually been here for a couple days, but we've just been taking it slow, taking it easy, spending time with family. Are you kidding me? Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Córrele, córrele. Hola, nena. ¿Más? We're about to embark on a little morning hike in the morning brisk in these beautiful trees. So let's go do that.
Summer rain on the window, watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
My sister really buried the lead here. Is that the right expression to use? I don't know. Maybe it's that I haven't been home for Thanksgiving in a couple of years, but I don't recall the fall foliage being this absolutely freaking stunning. I could show you better than I can tell you.
So long silent movies, the quiet dances on the screen. So long to burning slowly, smelling sweat and kerosene.
Cheers!
And all the actors on the stage are rolling cigarettes and whispering so low. Call my parents up, tell them I'm not coming home. So long silent movies, to waking early, staying late.
She'll have
I think I'll head on down to Reno and try my hand at real estate. And I'll fix up a Cadillac and find a girl who likes to dance so slow.
They're just looking at me like the moon emoji. They're like going ice skating. The first ice skating of the season, hopefully. We're in paradise. He wants a picture. Us and our matching bumpers. There is one in Chico, but we came to the one in Paradise because the town is still rehabilitating from the campfire. So obviously we wanted the proceeds to go here. And the town is rebuilding nicely. We were just reading, reminiscing on everything that happened in the car, and it's still unbelievable. So sad. My niece, in true fashion, shit as soon as we got here. So we're just waiting. It's like all in place, isn't it? Come on, Carol.
It's so rude. You're the worst.
Go. I think you're in my way. No. Got me tripping. Wow. I spy with my little eye a character from South Park. The moment is gone. Hello. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Genocide is horrific. Being with my family is nice. Except for when I'm crying in the woods. Because I think that's a universal experience. Is that a universal experience or am I just traumatized? I don't know. But we're at the creek, as you can probably hear. A moment. And we're just vibing. On the agenda today, we are gonna make some tamales. We're gonna go to a local coffee shop. Maybe Cal Java. They make their beans in-house. Fun fact. Play some games. And survive.
Fog was lifting.
Like an egg. Keep that one.
Twin.
Egghead.
Tigers on trains, watching you go. Head in the glass, fog in the windows, and you're never gonna come back. Not much for you here.
Oh my god. We just stopped and picked up. What? We just stopped and picked up so much pan dulce. Like fresh, you know, for the morning. I just bit into this one. I'm sorry. Literally everything in California just slaps so much harder. Like, buy. Absolutely buy. That is so good. It's also just so nice to be around people who speak Spanish, you know? To like feel comforting to me. And everything is just so gorge. Like, as we're like driving through the streets, oh my god. I'm so happy to be here. Take one. Caro, how do we make a tamale?
You get masa
Okay.
and then you smear it.
Okay. Are you making little waves in there? It's okay. There's an applause. Applause. Give her an applause. Woo! Alondra, tell your mom. Go, mom. She's like, what?
It's easier to like spoon it down like that.
Uh-huh.
So that way it sticks, because it'll stick to the spoon, you know?
Yeah.
And then cheese.
Okay.
And then some rajas. A little 3 or 4, you know. And you don't want to put too much masa because it expands.
Okay.
Just so that way you can like roll it onto itself. So that way the cheese and the rajas are
The center?
filling. Yeah.
Oi.
Push it a little bit.
Bravo! Okay. Good job, Kale. Take a bow. Do a spin. Okay, we just finished sorting these out. These are the ones with tears. These are the little baby ones. And these are the good ones. But we're still going to use those. They're just going as a last resort, yeah? A ver, what's happening here? Tell the people.
So to help them steam, so we have under like the water, and the like a coriander type thing to steam it.
Our improvising one.
Yeah. And then you put these so that way they sit together and they cook. to protect it from the water. So as they're cooking, we have to be checking the water to make sure it always has enough water.
And then it steams up.
Yes, they cook only by steam.
Wow.
I'm actually gonna add more water. And then we close it, and then with the towel.
It's crazy that even with all that reinforcement, it still takes hours.
Yeah, it closes. And then,
Oh.
This one can.
Anna. I mean, Rosalie.
Serious.
It's yours. You know what? So literally, some of us theirs look like it belongs in the picture, but you know. You're a mess. Dang, what's going on with these animals? Oh my. Julius is over there dying.
That's like every time you put an animal, it just like
It helped it, I think.
My gingerbread man is very happy with the placement.
I think it made it look better. Look, that's cute.
candy cane, so fun, man. True to the sweet shop. Festive.
Bye, Julius. Bye. Don't be mad at me. I'll see you soon. Love you.